Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without you. I'm forever in a minute. That's not my night. And Tyler says he got my
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let me introduce myself. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Aishwarya and this is my channel, The Beauty Blizz. In this channel, I usually create videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty and whatsoever. So in today's video, I am sharing with you guys this look. This is called as Instagram Baddie look, and I have created this, it's Indian version. So I would like to say Indian Instagram Baddie look. So if you want to know how to get this look, so make sure you watch the whole video to end. And without wasting any time, let's get started.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
So first I'll begin with priming my face. So for that I'm going to use the primer for Blue Heaven and applying it all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to use this foundation from Sugar Cosmetic Drop the Base Serum Foundation in shade 50. I'm applying this foundation all over my face and neck area with help of the foundation brush. Now I'm not using any extra foundation, I'm just using the leftover foundation on the brush over my eyelids. I'm going to select this brown shade from the Cameleon palette and I'm going to apply it on my eyebrow because I want my eyebrows to look more thick and natural. So you can see I've overdone my eyebrows, but no issues, we are going to fix this with the help of concealer. So now I'm using here Wet n Wild concealer in shade medium deep tan, and I'm going to blend this concealer with help of my fingertips. I'm not going to use any brush over here. So now I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer and applying on my under eye, over the eyelids and other dark area of my face to conceal it. I'm going to do the blending part with the help of the beauty blender. Now I'm going to use this compact powder from Blue Heaven in shade 04 to set my concealer and foundation. I'm selecting this light brown shade, which is called also transition shade from the Wet n Wild palette Rose in the Air, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease area, and this shade is going to be my transition shade. So now I'm going to use this dark brown shade from the Cameleon palette and I'm going to blend this with the previous shade to give more depth to my eyes. I'm selecting this dark pink shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and applying on my eyelids. And after applying this, I'm going to again use the same brown shade from the Cameleon palette and I'm going to blend this with the pink shade. Sometimes eye makeup gets messy. To fix it, you can use the concealer just like how I'm using it right now, and then set the concealer with the help of your compact powder or loose powder. Selecting this shimmer shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and I'm going to dab it all over my eyelids. I want a little bit shimmery but not much of it, so I'm just dabbing it lightly with the help of my fingers. I'm using this Kajal from Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal and I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline, upper waterline and tight line my eyes with help of this Kajal. And this is a Baddie look, so I'm just going to make my eye look more bolder with the help of this Kajal. I'm just smudging the Kajal on my lower lash line. I'm using mascara from Sugar Cosmetic Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in shade 01 Black Beauty. For highlight, I'm using this highlighter from Sugar Cosmetic in shade 01 Champagne Champion, and this highlighter has been my favorite recently. Now for my blush, I'm going to use this mini blush from Sugar Cosmetic in shade 01 Peach Peak. And I'm going to use this Miniso Wonder Lips 2-in-1 lip liner and lipstick in shade 01 Wine Red. This is a really deep wine color, and first I'm going to line my lips with the help of the lip liner part, and then I'm going to fill it with the lipstick part. So what I think unique about this lipstick is that the lip liner makes it more unique because it has a sketch pen applicator, whereas when I see to the other lip liners, they are more like a pencil. And this dark color just adds up in the look and makes this Baddie look complete. I hope you guys like to watch this whole tutorial Indian Instagram Baddie makeup look, and if you like it, make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. And do let me know in the comment section below that what do you think about this look. So I'll see you next time in another video. See you next time. Bye.